Hello everybody. Today I want to very beautiful tanka.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let us introduce a very famous culture in Tibet. Tanka.
Tanka is a special painting art of the Tibetan people. With great historical value, it's like a living history book, recording Tibetan history through pictures. The pigments for Tanka are from natural minerals like gold, silver, cinnabar, and turquoise. They not only make the colors bright and long-lasting, but also have cultural meanings. Painting Tanka is a careful and complex job. Artists first pick a canvas, stretch it on a frame, and make it flat. Then they draw outlines of Buddha figures and scenes according to old patterns, with smooth and accurate lines. Next, they color from light to dark, making the painting look deep. After that, they add more lines for details. Finally, they open the eyes of the figures and frame the Tanka. Tanka holds deep history and culture. It shows the wisdom and art of the Tibetan people. It's a symbol of the national spirit. Tanka is not just art, but also a way to pass on a culture. It's special in world art and worth protecting and passing down.